Hi, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss about bonds in polynucleotide chain. Let's get started. Bonds in polynucleotide chain. As we have discussed earlier that DNA is made up of nucleotides and each nucleotide consists of phosphate group, sugar and nitrogenous base. So, many nucleotides are joined by bonds that are of two types, that is, one is glycosidic bond and second one is phosphodiester bond. Glycosidic bond is bond between sugar and nitrogenous base. So, this bond is glycosidic bond and sugar and nitrogenous forms nucleosides. So, glycosidic bond is found between sugar and nitrogenous base and it forms nucleosides. Let's discuss type of nucleosides in DNA. Types of nucleosides in DNA. In DNA, there are four types of nucleosides. First is deoxyadenosine. Deoxyadenosine. Second one is deoxyguanosine. Third one is deoxythymidine. And fourth one is deoxycytidine. So, nucleosides in DNA is of four types: deoxyadenosine, deoxyguanosine, deoxythymidine and deoxycytidine. Deoxyadenosine is made up of two molecules, that is deoxyribose sugar plus adenine. In the same way, guanosine is made up of deoxyribose sugar plus guanine. And in the same way, deoxythymidine is made up of sugar, which is deoxyribose sugar plus thymine. And in the same way, deoxycytidine is made up of sugar plus cytosine. So, in DNA, there are 4 types of nucleosides: deoxyadenosine, deoxyguanosine, deoxythymidine, and deoxycytidine. Deoxyadenosine is made up of deoxyribose sugar plus adenine, and this bond is glycosidic bond. As we know that adenine is purine, so in purines, the glycosidic bond is of 1-9 type, and we call it 1-9 glycosidic bond. 1-9 glycosidic bond. Whereas in deoxyguanosine, which we know that guanine is also a purine, so type of glycosidic bond is 1-9 type. And as we know, thymine is pyrimidine, so type of bond between sugar and thymine is 1-1 type. In the same way, sugar and cytosine is a pyrimidine, so the bond glycosidic bond is of type 1-1. Now let's discuss the type of bond glycosidic bond, that is 1-9 glycosidic bond and second is 1-1 glycosidic bond. Types of glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond is of 2 types, that is 1-9 and another one is 1-1. Let's discuss 1-9 type of glycosidic bond by structure. As we know that purine is double ring structure, it is double ring, and we know at the position of 1, 3, 7 and 9 nitrogen is attached. This is the structure of adenine, okay, and this is the double ring structure. And we know at the position of 9, 1-9 glycosidic bond, adenine 9th position, and we know that deoxyribose sugar is pentose sugar, so it is 5 carbon compound. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1-, 2-, 3-, 4-, and 5-. CH2OH, and here is H and H OH. Okay, so you can see 1-9 glycosidic bond. 1- position of deoxyribose sugar is attached with purine's 9th position, so it is 1-9 glycosidic bond. One glycosidic bond. As we know that pyrimidine is single ring structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we know at the position of 1 and 3 nitrogen is attached. Here carbon O, and here is NH2H attached, and here C attached with H, here also C attached with H. Okay, so it is structure of, this is the structure of pyrimidine cytosine. Type of pyrimidine is 2 in deoxyribonucleic acid, which is thymine and cytosine. This is the structure of cytosine, and at the position of 1 deoxyribose sugar is attached. One dash, two dash, three dash, four dash and five dash. HCH2OH. Okay. So you can see 1-1 glycosidic bond. So in purine when it attached to sugar, it forms 1-9 glycosidic bond. When pyrimidine attached with sugar, it forms 1-1 glycosidic bond. Let's discuss phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond attaches one sugar to another sugar. Let's discuss by structure. As we know, it is pentose sugar, so it is 5 carbon compound. 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. And here it is 3 dash 5 dash phosphodiester bond. So four, 5 dash, 4 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. As you can see, this is the 3 dash 5 dash phosphodiester bond. 3 dash position of one sugar attaches with 5 dash position of another sugar, and this bond is 3 dash 5 dash phosphodiester bond. Okay, you can write completely as H, H, H. Okay, this is the structure of phosphodiester 3 dash 5 dash phosphodiester bond. So in this class we have discussed two types of bond, that is glycosidic bond and phosphodiester bond. Glycosidic bond is two types, that is 1-9 glycosidic bond and 1-1 glycosidic bond. 1-9 glycosidic bond is found between sugar and purine. 1-1 glycosidic bond is found between sugar and pyrimidine, and phosphodiester bond in DNA is 3-5 type of bond. So it will help you in your examinations. Thanks for your time. See you in next class.